Hello friends, welcome to webtuts. I am Mohammed Nadeem. Today I am going to teach you how to make a secure login and registration form PHP with the help of AJAX and jQuery. In this tutorial we use hash password so no one knows the user password, as well as we use PHP sanitized filters. So by the use of it we protect our script from hackers, especially from SQL injection. We do login as well as registration without page refresh through jQuery, and we send the data through AJAX. In this tutorial project, student can learn a lot about PHP, CSS, AJAX, jQuery, as well as security features. Now I want to show you a demo. Before we go any further, I want to display my database. In this my database there is a table name is users, and there is a 5 fields. UID means user ID is auto increment, and rest of varchar type field except mobile. I define a mobile as a int type. In this project I use password verify function, so I defined password length is 255 because it is recommended by PHP official website php.net. Due to lack of time I didn't implement email account verification code in this tutorial, but soon I will make another one where I will implement more security features as well as account verification code. So now let's we start the code. So before we remove my all files, I would like to show you my file structure. There is a two folders. Like first one is images, where I store my all images, as well as there is inc folder, main include folder. There is a db connection files as well as function file stored there, and there is nb project, that's the default netbeans project, so we need not to create this one. And rest of files, there is a file name is dashboard, index, a login process, logout, my script, restrict page, and sign up process, and style.css. So I would like to delete all these things and we will create new ones. So need not to delete in images, so we keep it. And include file, there's a db connection and functions, so I will delete this one. Okay, now I delete dashboard, login process, logout, my script, restrict, sign up, and style. All files will be deleted. Now I have deleted, so there is only index.php file. So I remove all the things, and now I start with these things. So first we check index.php, there's nothing. Now we are going to start. So first of all I would like to start with doc type html. Doc type html, html head, and under the head we are opening to titles. In this title I give the name login as well as registration form form. There is a title, and we also link the css file, so link href. Under the images I will make style.css, so I didn't create, but I included it. Later I will create it, a style sheet. And I think there is enough under the head section. And now we are going to open body section. In body section I am going to make a div, that's id would be wrapper. that is the first div where we create a login form. So we just make a comments here, create a div for login form, create a first div for login form. So now I am going to again open a div, and ID would be login container or whatever you want you can give. So, and now close it also. So I'm going to name ID name login container, and I'm going to open a form ID is equal to login form, method would be post. Now we give the heading, so S3 I'm using, members, login area, a login page. Okay, and now uh, we need to give some input fields. Input type is equal to email. We are going to make a HTML5 validation, that's why I'm giving the input type name is equal to email, and we will make HTML5 validation for this form. And name is email, and placeholder enter a valid email. I think that would be enough. Now required also, that is my input field, and same I am copying it, and input this time input field is password. Name is password, and login password password, placeholder, enter your password, and field is also required. So now we need to input type submit, input type submit, value sign in. Now we create a paragraph for forget password, ahref. We will create it later, this function. So I'm giving only hash forget password /p, and as well as we give forget password as well as don't have account. So under the p tag we are giving the don't have account yet question mark, and link should be sign up form. So giving the ahref tag hash id is equal to sign up, and now close it. sign up, sign up here, and now close a tag, and also give the paragraph id. Paragraph id would be bottom. So now I think I have completed my login div section. So now just preview this page, refresh. Yes, new members login page, enter valid email, password, sign in, forget password, don't have account, sign up here. Okay, now everything is clearly displayed. So now we will just make some css, so that would be looks nice. So need to create a just style.css file. css file, style.css, and then finish. Now just the body background color, body background color, that would be light gray. So CA C6 or CB semicolon, text align center, and second one we are going to make some style for wrapper id. So just wrapper position relative margin top, so it should be in center, or margin top should be 50 pixel or whatever, would be fine. Now check it. Okay, there's nothing happened. So just inspect this. Fail to load style.css file. Okay, now we give the wrong path, that's why. So now style.css and fresh, control F5, then it's looks something better. So again we do some more css, this time login container, so login container id, width 308 pixel, margin top 0 I think, or 1 pixel, whatever will be looks good. I will do padding 30 pixel and 25 pixel for right left. Background color, background should be white, so I am giving hex value. Now it's okay. And body background is not correct value that I am putting right. So it's like something gray. Now save it, and I will see the result and reload it. Yeah, it's working fine. And I think member login division should be in center, so I will do it. We need to center a login div, so I'm going to change something in our CSS. So width should be 25% and margin should be 0 pixel and auto, so our div will be fine in place as a center. And padding should is I think correct, and background color and border should be, so border 1 pixel solid and black color. Now save it and check it. So now we need to work on our input field as well as sign up button. So for the input, type is equal to text, or type is equal to email, because we have email field also. Type is equal to email, comma, and type is password also, password. Now giving some padding, 5 pixel I think would be fine. Width 100%, height 40 pixel, and give the margin on top 10 pixel, and font size 18 pixel or 15 pixel, whatever will be fine we will put. So I think there is no need of border, so just save it and check it. Later we will decide. Yeah, I think it's correct, it's look fine. So we will need to work on submit button. So just input type is equal to submit, background background gives some effects, so background colon line gradient from bottom to top, so to bottom, and background should be to AB E9, and it would be approx 5%, comma, and give some dark color 36CA F0, and it would be 100%. Now semicolon, we need to just check it, so give the border also 1 pixel solid 0 F7 9 F7 99 E, semicolon, and color should be white, and I think that's enough. Yeah, width is also there, so width would be 320 pixel and height 40 pixel. Now check it. Yeah, that would be but not exactly what I want. So just again I'm doing something. First of all, I'm giving the margin on top 15 pixel, and box shadow should be, so box dash shadow shadow box shadow, and set function we use 01 pixel 00, and color would be that would be fine, semicolon. No, I think yeah, we need to give the font size also. Font dash size, font size approx 18 pixel, and font weight bold of 700 pixel, 700, and text to shadow 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 0 1 pixel 0 hash, giving some values 0 6d, and I think that it's enough. Now check it again. Yeah, approx what I want I'm getting. So we need to just increase the width, so that is the width 350. Yeah, approx it's work. Cursor should be pointer, cursor, semicolon. Yes, everything working fine. No, we need to, now I want to give some hover effect in sign up button, so sign in button. So I need to put some code in CSS file. So input type is equal to submit colon hover, and background linear gradient to bottom comma 36 CA F0 comma give some percent 5%, and then comma hash again to give the value to AVE 9 I think, and 100%. That's fine I think. Now save it and refresh it. Yeah, it's working. Okay, now it's properly work on hover button. We also put some effect on anchor tag, so a text dash decoration, we need I don't want to get an underline, so text decoration is none, and color I want to define, it should be light blue 6495 ED semicolon. I think it's enough. Yeah, it's work. We need to just create a registration form also. So end of first div, I need to create a new div. So I am just comment and first div. Now open second div. So first of all, I am giving the name of div. Div id, sign up, container, sign up container, and now close this div as well as open form id is equal to, and now I'm giving registration id, registered form, registered frm, that is form id, and method should be post. Now new member registration, yes, sign up, new member sign up. Now give some input type is equal to text, name is equal to our name, r means registration, and placeholder name required, and close this, again input open, input type email, name is equal to, our email registration email, and placeholder enter valid email. Now it's also required. Now input type password, name, password, our password should be, because everything is r regarding under the registration form, so our password, and placeholder password, and it is also required. Now I think everything is fine. Now mobile number is also there, so input type text, name is equal to r mobile required, and give some maximum length, should be 10, no one can exceed this limit, so I'm giving maximum length for the mobile 10, and it's required, and also give the some pattern, so no one can input except this pattern, so pattern is equal to Under this inverted comma, we define 0 to 9. Anyone can enter only 0 to 9 numeric number, as well as mm, put some maximum 10 digit. So 10 digit, and placeholder mobile number, mobile. I think it's enough for the input field. Now submit button, input type, submit, name, not name, value, create your account, and in this form we also display the login. So give PID is equal to, give the bottom, and already have an account, already have an account. So people can click here, and ID would be sign in, and give your name some SI Jane sign in sign in, and I think our sign up form is also created. So now check it, name, enter valid email, password, mobile, and creates your account. Already have account, sign in. Actually everything displays, but it doesn't display properly, so we will put and alter some code in our CSS file. So now we target the sign up container. So ID, sign up container ID, and bracket open, and so we will copy login container properties and paste in sign up container. I've already, so border radius, I will take border dash radius 5. Now check it. Actually everything plays step by step, like sign in form, then sign up form. I don't want to look such types of form. I want to display form in same place. So I am going to change some code in my style.css. I would like to give width in a pixel, so 310 pixel would be fine, and a margin should be in top only, and it would be 0, and padding, background color, border radius, and position should be absolute AB, absolute semicolon, and left side 50 pixel, sorry 50%, and then margin left, minus 150 pixel. Now that's enough I think. And display also none, because first time we display only login form. Display none, semicolon, and send property we will copy and paste in login container. Now check it again, fresh. I think it's look great, but sign in button is not placed properly. So we work on sign in button, input type submit, and width 350. So we'll give 320 and refresh it. Yeah, it's cool. Now we need to put some JavaScript files, so if such effect will be work when we click on sign up button, then registration form will be open. So need to create a new file, script.js, script script.js. Yes, it's created. Now we need to work on this. So first of all, we need dollar document dot sorry document dot ready function. So we will create a comments also here, so people can easily understand what's going there. So we will put comments here also. Dollar sign up. I think sign up sign up is ID. So we will check what is the ID of sign up. Yeah, that is the ID of sign up. So we copy it here and place here sign up, click, then function. When anybody click on sign up, then what happened? Then what is the ID of login? Login ID is login container. Login container should be slide up. So login container dot slide up in a slow motion, slow, comma, function, then also sign up container will be slide down. So sign up container, yeah, that is the sign up container. So we target this ID, sign up container dot slide down, and then it is also come in a slow motion, semicolon. That's enough, I think. Semicolon, and now so we just create a comments here on click sign up. It will hide login form and display registration form, right? Same I will copy and paste here. On click sign in button, this time sign in, it will hide registration form, registration form, and display login form. Same theory we put here, like whenever people click on sign in, sign, sign in, and then click function, then target sign up container. So sign up container should be slide up in a slow comma function. Now what will be display? We will put login container. So copy here, login container dot slide down slow in a slow motion semicolon. I think I have put everything. So now save it and see, I have already included this file, script.js. So just check it out, reload it, sign up here. Yeah, it's worked properly. So now we have completed designing part. So now I want to put some hands under the input section. When people put proper information, mean right information, then thumbs up will display in right side, otherwise thumbs down will be display in right side. So we will put this thing also in CSS file. So just go to CSS file. So at last we put input colon required, in required if invalid, invalid or input colon focus colon invalid, then background image URL, or URL is images slash, we will copy the file name invalid.png, invalid.png. Now semicolon, background position right top, and background repeat, no repeat, semicolon. That is for invalid, and same way procedure will be for valid. Input required valid, there is no need of focus for valid, and background image, that is a valid.png. Even then I'm checking, yeah, valid.png. So valid.png right top, no repeat, that's enough. Now check it out, there is nothing happens. So again went to code. Actually we have a mistake, that is input required, and we need to write here also semicolon, and we have made another mistake, that is the invalid oblique png. that is invalid.png, that is the file name. So here is also valid.png. Now save it and check it out. Reload. Yeah, right now you can see thumbs up is down when we write anything. Yeah, thumbs up is working properly. That's it. So I have already done my form. I think video duration is about to be half an hour, so I stop this tutorial right now and make continue with this tutorial with part 2. So now you can understand and enjoy the code. I'm not much expert in designing, but hopefully you people like my work. So keep like my videos, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So now take care. Bye bye.